Alright, pull these nails. You gotta go 3 rows up. Alright. Oh, it's... certain teeth slipping back in place. Get it even. Then we lift and go to our nail track. Hold it with your finger. You're not putting too much pressure on it. Next, same thing. I generally put one on each side of the track over the shingles. For the video, we don't have to. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if you can see it because of the shadow, but it just destroyed it. I'm gonna go row up. Now these back in. See if this one does any better. Destroyed it. Totally compromises the shingle. Same thing. All right, our nails are back in.